Newton Crouch Incorporated custom-built spreading equipment.
Poultry integrators are real big on biosecurity on their farms, which is just not taking diseases from one chicken house to another or one chicken farm to another. And so we put a 5-gallon rinse tank on here, and they'll put a chemical in that cleans their tires off. And so they got 5 gallons here of the solution with a pump hidden behind it, and they'll just spray long enough that they can get both their tires wet. So we plumb it in right here from the pump, and it's just one single tip, and it splits into 2 so they can wash each tire.
Visit our website, newtoncrouch.com, for equipment specifications and technical tips. Give us a call at 800-241-1350. Our sales representatives will be glad to discuss your specific needs. They can help you select the options and the equipment type that will give you the best value for your investment. When you call NCI, you will always speak with a person who will make sure your questions are answered. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.